hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 Pro and OPPO F5. Redmi Note 5 Pro sports a Snapdragon 636 processor with Adreno 509 GPU. Base variant starts at 14,000 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Next variant is priced at 17,000 rupees for just 6GB of RAM. Currently, I am using the 4GB RAM variant in this video. OPPO F5 sports a MediaTek Helio P23 processor with Mali G71 MP2 GPU. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. So guys, Redmi Note 5 Pro was 30 seconds faster than OPPO F5. That's a huge difference. So let's see where all that difference came from in the regular speed test. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. So guys, in the speed test, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner, but for most of the applications, difference between both phones wasn't all that huge. So that's the speed test. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they're still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. Even in the memory management round, both phones did an equally good job. but Redmi was slightly more responsive than OPPO. So guys, it's a tie in the memory management round. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.